In this video, we'll walk through the steps of simplifying this rational expression with complex numbers. That is, complex numbers have real and imaginary numbers. We have 6 plus 7i over 2 minus I. So the first thing you want to do if you have a complex number in the denominator is to multiply the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of the denominator. So I'm going to multiply the denominator and the numerator by 2 plus I. That's the conjugate of 2 minus I. So the conjugate is just the same thing with the opposite sign. So fancy word for that. 2 plus I. Okay, in the numerator, multiplying this through, I'm going to get 6 plus 2 is 12, plus 6 times I is 6i, plus 7i times 2 is 14i, plus 7i times I is 7i squared. In the denominator, I'll just cut to the chase on that one. That is a product of a sum and a difference. The result is a difference of squares, or that is 2 squared minus I squared. So 4 minus I squared. Okay, let's clean this up a little bit. I'll change colors and write the next line. Combine like terms, if you will. You've got 12 plus 20i plus, now 7 times I squared. Well, that's 7 times negative 1, because I squared is equal to negative 1. Likewise, in the denominator, I've got 4 minus negative 1, because I squared is equal to negative 1. All right, continuing to clean this up, we've got 12 minus 7 and 4 plus 1, minus a negative is plus 1. So I've got 12 minus 7 is 5, plus 20i. In the denominator, I have just 5. Okay, now we can cancel something out. We can cancel a 5 out of every single term. All right, we've got a 5 here. We've got 5 times 4 times I here, and a 5 here. And I'll just take that one extra step just to write that. I've got 5 times 1 plus 4i. I've factored a 5 out. And in the denominator, I have 5 times 1. So the 5's cancel out or divide out. So now I have 1 plus 4i in the numerator over 1. So I have 1 plus 4i, and that is the final answer. I hope that helps.